Hello there, welcome to Yoga with Anja, welcome to this channel, and thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I would like to give you a little bit of an update of what is going to happen over the next few months on this channel, and we are also going to have a quick look back at what has happened over the last year. So first of all, Yoga with Anja has celebrated its first year anniversary on the 3rd of October this year, and it's really wonderful for me to see how the channel is growing. We're almost at 600 subscribers, and to see that now we can reach people all over the world practicing yoga at home. Thank you so much for your trust. Thank you for connecting. You really make it worthwhile the work here. And now what is to come on Yoga with Anja is actually changing the direction of this channel over the next few months, because basically, as you might have already seen in the last few videos, I am pregnant with our first child, and it has changed my practice definitely. So I had a thought over the last few weeks of how I want to take this forward, because with YouTube I'm obviously practicing the whole class with you, demonstrating it, and it just simply isn't possible anymore to do every single posture. I want to make sure it's an authentic practice, a safe practice that I can deliver for you here on YouTube. So I've taken the decision for the next few months to channel my classes and to basically do yoga during pregnancy. So it will be like a journal, a weekly journal of bringing one class to you on a Thursday at 3 o'clock still, but yoga during pregnancy. And it is always reflecting how far I'm along. So for example, this week it will be the 20-week yoga during pregnancy with Anja. And from there we're taking it for as long as I can, as long as baby is happy to practice. And I really wish that with this change, obviously I know for some of you there won't be classes or new classes uploaded, but over the last year we have uploaded 130 yoga classes here, and I wish that you can go back, maybe find your favorites, and then for the next few months take those on, make it a regular practice, and then we will see next year if I'm going to tune back in with you. Hopefully I will be able to tune in back with you shortly and bring more flow, more yin, more hatha back to you. But obviously we will see what's going to happen. For now, for me, it's important, as I said, to stay authentic, but to keep delivering, because I really don't just want to stop my practices here, because it's wonderful to see that some of you can benefit with taking the practice at home. And coming into the winter months here in the UK now, I really wish that Yoga with Anja can stay your anchor, your foundation of your practice. So thank you very much for your trust. Thank you for staying connected even though you're not going through a pregnancy. But if you have someone in your family, your friends, and for any mamas to be, please share this video so we can embark on a new journey together. Thank you so much, and now I would just say from my heart to yours, stay safe, stay well. Namaste.